Alright, so NVIDIA is jumping today more than 3% right now. The trend is clearly bullish. NVIDIA is just heading to our next resistance level at 192, which is a technical target of this bullish trend over here. Remember, the trend is still bullish. NVIDIA is doing higher highs, higher lows, but despite the incredible movement today, it is doing a bearish candlestick right now. So what this could possibly mean? Will NVIDIA keep going up to hit our target, or will NVIDIA drop? If it drops, how far could it possibly drop? I'm going to try to answer these questions in this video. Just welcome to the Finance Hydra channel, my dear friends. My name is Nathan. Let's do a multiple time frame analysis on NVIDIA. 1 hour chart, daily chart, weekly chart. In the 1 hour chart, as we can see, incredible bull trend. Higher highs, higher lows. Today, it just triggered another bullish pivot point. It is losing strength today, and a pullback to the EMA is totally acceptable. But if we drop below the EMA over here, because right now NVIDIA is doing higher highs, higher lows, okay? However, it just did a bottom today. If NVIDIA fails in breaking the previous high and finds a top lower than the previous top, losing this support level, NVIDIA is going to trigger a bearish pivot point. In this scenario, I believe NVIDIA is going to correct a little bit more sharply in the daily chart. In this scenario, in the daily chart, as far as I know, NVIDIA can easily retest the EMA or maybe the 170 area again. The 170 is a very important key point because it did work as a support level on August. It did work as a support level multiple times over here in the end of August again, and it did work as a resistance on November 15, on December 1 as well. And right now, this month, we broke this black line over here at 170, and this black line did work as a support level on NVIDIA afterwards. So the 170 is a main key point on NVIDIA. As far as I know, we could easily drop to the 170, and this is it. The trend would still be bullish. Maybe we could even drop below the 170 and seek the 21 EMA in the daily chart. The EMA, the trend, not the EMA, the trend would still be incredibly bullish. And it is not going to ruin the perspective of seeing NVIDIA retesting the 192 in the near future. Will only delay this scenario. So the trend is clearly bullish. A pullback is totally acceptable. In fact, it is totally natural, and it would, in theory, would only give us another opportunity to buy NVIDIA at a cheaper price level, because buying at 180 is one thing, but buying near the 170, near the EMA, is even better. So a pullback is totally welcome in this scenario because, again, the trend is still clearly bullish. But what it takes for NVIDIA to reverse this bull trend, Nathan? Are we relatively safe in this scenario, right? So far, yes, so far the trend is intact. But keep in mind, a reversal structure would require, as we just analyzed in the 1 hour chart, a lower high, lower low. If NVIDIA does this, okay, then I believe NVIDIA is going to reverse the trend in the mid or even in the long term, and we're gonna seek lower levels. In this scenario, the weekly chart has plenty of answers to us. But first, click on the like. If you're still watching this video, click on the like button to support this channel. Subscribe to keep in touch with my daily analysis. Probably you are liking, you are enjoying our content so far, so why not, am I right? Click on the like button to support this channel. Now, in the weekly chart, we see this. We see a fantastic V-shaped recovery, and in this scenario, again, this is why the 192 is our main target over here, because we are talking about a V-shaped recovery. NVIDIA broke the EMA. It is consistently trading above the EMA so far, something we don't see since November 2021, when tech stocks started crashing over here. So this is very good. NVIDIA looks great in the weekly chart. We have been talking about a buy on NVIDIA since it hit this support level over here on our newsletters. If you want to keep in touch with my trading analysis, with premium analysis, check my website The link is in the description of this video. Amazing cost benefit. I think you guys are going to enjoy our content. We have been talking about buying NVIDIA since the 115, 120 over here, because NVIDIA hit a critical support level for the third time over here. And at this point, NVIDIA was a crystal clear buy. Is NVIDIA a buy right now at this moment? I don't think so. But if it does a pullback, I think it will. I think it is going to be an incredible buy at a cheaper price level, because I still believe NVIDIA is going to retest the 192 area up here, because we see a V-shaped recovery over here. Now, if NVIDIA does a crystal clear bearish reversal structure in the daily chart, I see NVIDIA retesting again the EMA in the weekly chart, okay? And then we'll see if NVIDIA reacts in this support level and goes up. I think NVIDIA is going to trigger a bullish pivot point in the weekly chart, a bullish structure. We don't see a higher high, higher low on NVIDIA again since 2021, since it broke the $230 on October 2021. We don't see higher highs, higher lows since then, all right? So this is going to be something new. This is going to be incredible. And I do believe NVIDIA is going to fill, at least going to fill this gap at 230, okay? In this scenario. Of course, this scenario is just fiction. It is just in our head, because we have yet to see a bearish reversal structure in the daily chart. Right now, all that I know is the trend is clearly bullish. We don't see reversal signs. We may see a top sign, which might indicate a possible pullback, a possible pullback to a previous support level, but this is as far as I can go. The most important key points you must watch right now is today's low around 177, which is this possible bearish pivot point in the 1 hour chart, okay? This would trigger a sharper pullback, and if it does, I would keep my eye open around the 170 or maybe the EMA in the daily chart. Either way, the 192 is the main target of this bullish trend over here. Of course, I'm going to keep you guys updated in this channel. So again, click on the like button. Did you subscribe yet? I mean, it is about time for you to subscribe, my dear friends. Click on the like button to support this channel. Let's keep in touch. I'll see you guys tomorrow on our next analysis. Thank you very much for your audience, my dear friends. Stay safe. Farewell.